welcome to my channel. This is my first video, so wish me all the luck. So here on my channel we'll start doing LeetCode questions. So first topic I'm taking is greedy. So we'll start from easy to difficult to gain some confidence on how to do questions in greedy using greedy method. So our first question is longest palindrome. So we'll see the question first. We have to find the longest palindrome. So palindrome is basically a value which will read from backward or forward. It will return the same value always. We will read like a. So if we read from backward from a and forward from a, it will always be a a. I will explain the example also. It will be easy for you to make the code also for the example. The example is ABCCCDD. So ABCCCDD. First we'll count the repeating characters. The repeating characters are CCCDD. So what are the possible ways we can make it palindrome, like CCD, any character between that, DCC, CDC, character between them, CDC, DCC, character between them, and DCC. So the first thing we have to count the characters also. We have to find that how many characters are repeating characters. So writing the code now. So our first approach should be we have to count the characters in the string. So we can use a for loop also, and we can use directly counter functions also, like counter dict equal to counter of s. And now what it will return? It will return the every value of every count of the element in that string. So we got the count of every character in that string. So we have to find that how many times the character is repeating in the string. So basically if it is even, so like in this example you see that a came 3 times and b came 2 times. So we can repeat a 2 times and b 2 times, like ab and any value in the middle. In the next example you see that a came 5 times and b came 3 times. So a is odd and b is also odd. So but what is the last even value of the 5 is 4 and b is 2. So we can use a 4 time and b time and n middle value. So in the code we will see now, we'll take any value like variable like longest palindrome length equal to 0. So we have to return this. We'll return this longest palindrome length. So now for value in counter dict those values. So now we will divide it by 2 and we'll see them, like I'll show you example also. If a came 5 times, so if we'll divide 5 by 2, it will come 2 times. So 2 into 2 we can use a 4 times, like in b also. B came 3 times, so b 3 divided by 2 equal to 1. 1 into 2 we can use b 2 times. So the value will be like longest palindrome length plus equal to value divided by 2 into 2. So like will come, so 5 divided by 2 equal to become 2 into 2 into 4. So like we can use a equal to 4 times, and we have to check now if the value is 5, so it will be remainder also will be there, so equal to 1. So we have to add a middle value also. So like any value, like we can define a variable here, odd value equal to 1. So odd value equal to 0. So now odd value will be equal to 1. If the value is more than it's like odd value. So in the last we'll check if odd value will be there. So we will add 1 plus value in the string and return it. Now we'll run the code and see. Yeah, it worked fine, and we'll submit it now. Yeah, we got a result. Now we'll find the time complexity of the code. The time complexity of the code, like we iterated in the dictionary loop, so the time complexity of the code will be the length of dictionary. So this is O(n) only. Complexity of the code is O(n) only because we are adding the values one by one while iterating the loop. So yeah, thanks for watching the video. Like, subscribe and share, and stay tuned for next videos. Thank you.